have 7 dogs. And tell me why it's socially acceptable for y'all to get on here and say, oh my gosh, you have 7 dogs? Like, why do you have so many dogs? Like, that's way too many dogs. Ugh, I would never have 7 dogs in my house. Your house isn't big enough for 7 dogs. You need to get rid of some of them. But y'all think that that's okay and that's socially acceptable. But if I say 7 kids, wow, girl, that's a lot of kids. Like, y'all need to slow down. Like, is that all y'all do? Is just make babies? I mean, how do y'all afford them? Do y'all live off the government? Like, I just could never. And then y'all get offended that I say that. But I shouldn't be offended about my babies. And y'all saying I have too many. Because Chloe's one of the youngest ones. And as you can tell, they are well loved and cared for. So, maybe just mind your business.